In this video, I will quickly show you how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams in a simple way. First, open the meeting link that was sent to you by email, message, or calendar. Next, click the link and choose whether to open the meeting using the Microsoft Teams app or directly in your browser. If you are not logged in yet, sign into your account to continue. Before joining the meeting, you will be able to configure your microphone and camera. You can turn audio and video on or off depending on your preference. After that, click the Join Now button to enter the meeting. If the meeting has an organizer, you may need to wait a few seconds until you are admitted. Once you are inside, you can start communicating with the other participants. During the meeting, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on, and share your screen if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.